These are the Apple AirPods 4. I just picked these up. I had a pair of AirPods Pro for a couple of years now, and they finally went out. So AirPods 4 are the newest version that they have right here. Just interested to check them out. I've been using AirPods since the first generation one. Always very pleased with them. They always do a phenomenal job. Last a long time. But this is what it looks like when you open these up right here. Just like the traditional AirPods, not much has changed from them with the packaging. Apple just does a really great job on packaging right here. You can see USB-C input right here for your charging cable. And then open it up right here and just have the AirPods 4. What's different about these is there's no the rubber part right here that goes in your ear canal. That's why I was interested to check these out. I know the usage time is a little bit lower on these, but again, it's just these are the newest ones. So I like the fact that they're a little bit smaller and just a really cool item. So if you're looking for some new AirPods, this is what it looks like when you open it up. The AirPods 4. Highly recommend checking them out.